How to order items from Pandabuy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at Pandabuy and how you can purchase items from this platform. So let's get into it. Now, dropshipping is one of the most popular ways that you can start your own business without having to, incur large risks. And Pandabuy is a platform that enables you to do it in a much more professional way. So, Pandabuy is a platform that allows you to purchase orders, and a team can help you purchase the orders online and offline as well, which is a service that you don't really get with any other dropshipping platform. This is not specifically a dropshipping platform, it's a business platform. So, you can, instead of having to, run your business independently, it's kind of like doing it with the help of a friend like Pandabuy, where they can host your products in their storage, in their warehouses. You can do your quality checks with a Pandabuy agent, and then you can ship those items to your customers. So to get started with purchasing items, all you have to do is you can see on the search bar, you have your shop and your product section. So we're gonna go, if you have like a specific shop in mind that is present, you can search for that shop and directly browse the items they have present. Or if you're looking for a certain kind of product, you can search for the product. On the top right, you will see a estimation section, and the estimation section allows you to have a shipping estimate of all of the items. Then you have your sign up page. So in your sign up page, if you go into Pandabuy, click on sign up on the top right. It's a very simple sign up process where you have to just enter a username, email, password, and that is it. I have already created my account, so I will just log in. And the best part about doing this is that dropshipping has now become so popular. Everyone is, the same kind of items, and it's very recognizable. So instead of doing that, finding products that are unique, that have a good quality, that you can, confirm with your agents can really help your business be a separate brand rather than just another, pop-up store. So let's say I'm searching for clothing. This is a very generic term I've added, but you can find anything that you want. It's totally up to you. You're going to find a bunch of different listings. Then you have the general, then you have the price, how much you're looking to pay. And you can see over here, they also have Discord platforms to help you in setting up, but you have like a bunch of different items. And let's say that I like these t-shirts. These t-shirts are super nice. So I can click on these over here. And once I click on the product, you can see the domestic shipping, and then you can see, where you want them to be sent out to. Now, after your domestic shipping, you have your international delivery, which will be from the warehouse to your actual customer. So once you have these products over here, you can see the sizes that they are available in. You guys can see if you like them, you can click on add to cart, or you can click on buy now. But I want to click on buy now because I'm going to show you how to order items. So once you agree to their terms of service, we're going to click on add to cart. Let's say I want to sample the large size. I want to click on add to cart, like so. I've selected the color and all that. Once I have my item in my cart, so you guys can see on the right side of my screen, not on the top right, on the center right, my cart. And I can click on my cart checkout. I'm just going to wait for my cart to be loaded. It's taking a couple of seconds. So you guys can see over here, this is my cart. I've added another item. I have my unit price, the amount, the action. And once I have this, you can select all. So you can select the products you want to buy. And this will show you the total price. Once you have your total price, you can click on the estimator. So what this allows you to do is that if you select your destination, so let's say that maybe I want to ship this to the United States. Maybe like my customers are going to be there. I can click on inquire for both of these products. And this is going to be a, international shipping is based on weight. So I'm going to select, the category that applies the closest as well. So over here we have clothes, and then we have t-shirt, confirm. And this has, a very small unit volume. Then I can click on inquire, selecting my products, and inquiring about the shipping. So then it's going to show me all the charges that I will have to incur depending on the different shipping partners that are available. Now, once I have a good estimate and I think I'm ready to, purchase these products or order them to the warehouse, you can select the product you want, click on submit over here, and you will select your destination country. So let's say it's going to be the United States. Then you have read the terms of service. You can add your value added services if you want extra photos, whatever it might be. But after that, you're just going to click on submit order. And then you can choose your payment processor, whatever you want. And once your payment has been completed, it will be sent to, you guys can see after submitting the order and paying, you will wait for the seller to send and submit an international package order once stored at the warehouse. So then it will be stored at the warehouse, and once the Pandabuy warehouse has it, you can go into your personal center on the top right. You can click on warehouse in your personal center, and then you will be able to see all of your products that are available in the Pandabuy warehouses. And then from the Pandabuy warehouses, you can send those products on to the destination, to your customers, wherever they might be. So it's a very nice platform that can help you in purchasing products that are unique, different, and can help you stand out from the crowd. I definitely do recommend this platform, especially with the fact that you can actually click on fill and buy and find and buy, where if you have like a certain item in mind that you want to design, you can actually find and buy it. So you can actually even put out a order like you want to get something custom made, or just find similar items and give the sellers an idea of what you're looking for, and then sellers will reach out to you with the kind of items that they have, and that is it. So that can really simplify the entire process. And once you have your warehouse, you can actually see in your parcel over here where you have all of the parcel information, shipping fees, shipping methods recorded over here. You have your rehearsal method as well, where before your items are packed, you will get the accurate weightage and volume of your purchasing item on your warehouse page, so you guys can move forward with domestic shipping from the warehouse to your customers. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to better understand the platform of Pandabuy, how it works, and how you can enable yourself to start a business, not only a dropshipping, but your own pop-up store, your own brand name, your own custom brand. All of those can be done via this platform. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to help you guys out, and I will catch you guys in the next video.